One more application based question. Please pause, do the entire thing. It's similar to the last two. Okay, so let me start. We have the initial case to be what? I have the first object and the second object. I'm keeping it close because the question is something like that. If this is M and this is M, I'll take this as D. What is the second case? What is that we're looking at? What is changing over here? The distance is changing, is it not? That's all. If you identify that, change the diagram accordingly. The size of the object remains the same, that is the mass is not changing, so we'll keep that to be so. What is changing over here? D. So what should I take what as? We should take D as, should I take 3x over here or just x? Since it's increasing, if I take x over here, this will be 3x. Since it's not divided, it is increasing, that is we are taking it 3 times. So I can take this as x. If it was reducing by 3 times, something like that, then I would have taken this as 3x. The diagram would have been other way around. So this would have been case 1 and that would have been case 2. You got it? So please understand how to take the diagrams as. Okay, moving on. Let's begin with, let's consider two objects of mass M and M. Let the distance between them be x. Now what is changing? D is changing clearly. Let the distance, new distance be equal to, no, not let the new distance is equal to the new distance. Array, I can write better, just a second. New distance is equal to what, guys? Is equal to 3 times of x. Okay, and now the working. So working, what is that we are looking at? From universal law of gravity, which tells what? Which tells the force between two things, gravitational pull between two things is given by this particular formula, and thus F1 will be equal to gmm by x square, while x2 will be, not x2, sorry, F2 will be gmm by 3x the whole square. So now we have to open the brackets, so gmm by 9x square, is it not, guys? 3x the whole square is 9x square. Square each of the terms over there. And now we have F1 by F2, which is equal to gmm by x square getting divided by gmm by 9x square. Okay, again please see to that you guys use brackets. So this would be equal to gmm by x square into 9x square by gmm. So let's see what and all gets cancelled. gmm x square, so this will be equal to 9 by 1. So F1 by F2 is equal to 9 by 1. F1 is equal to 9 F2, 9 times of F2. So what happened? Oh sorry, I have to go with F2 by F1, my bad. The whole thing is ulta. All I have to do is take this as 9 F2 by F1, F2 by F1. F2 by F1 is 9 by 1 Oh, sorry, 9 is over here. My bad again. Right, guys. F2 by F1 is what we are looking at. So this would be 1 by 9. F2 is F1 by 9. Actually, I could have done the other way around is also correct. What I was doing is also correct. Just that I don't want you guys to get confused. The same thing actually, just that I had to shift it around at the end. What I was doing is also correct, but I just went with the normal pattern so that you guys are not confused. So F2 by F1 is what we want, and so we have F2 is equal to F1 by 9 to get this final answer as this. So end of it, we can tell the force between the objects, what happened with them, got reduced or is reduced by 9 times. Is it not? Reduced by 9 times. That is a keyword, and of course 9 times as well. Okay, so this would be your answer. Very simple. Lot of writing, yes. I mean, in my screen it looks like a lot of writing, but in your books and all, it would be okay, I guess. Yeah, it is not a lot of writing. I just made it in detailed answer. If it's 2-3 marker, you guys have to write this. For 1 marker, there are shortcuts which I'll be doing later, but not over here. First, you have to learn the basic answering pattern, thinking pattern. Post that, you can do MCQ questions. Before that, please don't think of doing MCQ questions. This is must. If you, whatever you have in your syllabus, just MCQ questions or written answer questions, whatever it may be, you have to learn this way first, and then the MCQ question format and all of that. Okay, so please pause. People who didn't get, please copy this. People who got, good. People who tried, very good. Overall, getting or not getting is secondary. People who are not tried, that's not good.